For me, yes. Okay, kailangan pa rin sa atin yung, yung capacity dahil yun yung magbibigay ng opportunity to recover the economy of this island or our country. Hindi lang naman tayo, actually all over the world naman is affected. But right now, if you will observe, Thailand, okay, parang nagbukas ng tourism nila. Sila ang kalaban natin ngayon sa Korea. So, kinoconsider ng mga travel agency na nakausap ko ang Thailand compared to Philippines dahil ang baba ng rate ng Thailand. If they can do that, why not we can do also here in the Philippines, tapos taasan na lang natin yung restrictions. Total naman right now, if you will see the island, the beach front, maayos naman, malinis naman. So marami nagbabantay. So siguro yun yung pinakamaganda. Taasan yung dami ng turista, tapos himpitan yung sistema.
Sir, short